Here is another fully funded scholarship in Italy for master's degree students in 2025. Guess what? They are awarding 132 scholarships to outstanding international students. This isn't just a tuition waiver, it is a fully funded scholarship that covers everything you need to study and live in Italy without financial stress. Stay with me because I'll break down all the details, including eligibility, required documents, how to apply, and some key things you absolutely must know before submitting your application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best study abroad opportunities, how to travel, relocate abroad. Today I'm going to be letting you know about this university in Italy that is awarding master's scholarship for international students. Everyone can apply as long as you are not in the European Union, you are not an Europe citizen. Now, with 132 scholarships available across 11 international master's programs, this could be your chance to study in Italy with zero tuition fees, free accommodation, meals, and even 3,600 euro stipend for personal expenses. Okay, let's break it all down. What exactly does this scholarship offer? It offers a full tuition coverage. That's right, you won't have to pay a cent for your studies. It offers free accommodation and meals, so your board and your lodging are completely covered. It also offers you a 3,600 euro yearly allowance to help with living expenses. This is so huge. But remember, these kind of scholarships are always competitive. You know what I mean, yeah? Now let's continue with the video and make sure you stick with me till the end. There are important information you don't want to miss, okay? Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as well. Okay, now that means you can focus on your education without worrying about financial burdens if you have all this covered, right? Of course. Now let's clarify who is eligible for this scholarship. This scholarship opportunity is only for non-EU students living abroad. This means if you are an EU citizen, you are not eligible. Also, if you are a non-EU citizen or a non-EU student already residing in Italy, you do not qualify for this scholarship. So, for you to be eligible, you must hold a valid university degree obtained outside of Italy that qualifies you for a master's degree in Italy. 2, you have to apply for one of the 11 international master's program at the university. Number 3, if applying for a program taught in Italian, you must meet the household income requirements, which I will be explaining shortly. So to be clear, this is not for Italian students or students who already studied in Italy. It's specifically designed to attract international talent from outside the EU. Okay. Please make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't go and click on the link and just make sure you understand everything before going to click on the link. I will leave all the link on the description, but make sure you watch the video till the end to understand, to avoid questions. Of course, you can ask me questions, but it's also better you understand everything, okay? Now, let me explain about the household income requirements. So these are for those that want to apply for programs that are taught in Italian. If you are applying for a master's program taught in Italian, there are specific household income conditions you must meet. These requirements ensure that students applying for these courses are financially stable. Okay, I'm going to be showing everything on my screen. I might not follow what you see on the screen, but you can also read through on my screen while I am just explaining everything in summary, okay, because of time. Now, as I was saying regarding the household income, you must meet these criteria. These requirements ensure that students applying for these courses are financially stable enough to support themselves while studying. And here is how it works. If you are financially independent, your income must be at least 26,500 euro per year. If you belong to a 2-member household, your combined income must be at least 41,500 euro per year. If your household has 3 or more members, your total family income must be at least 54,000 euro per year. This means that if you are from a lower income background, you may not qualify for Italian taught programs, but you can still apply for English taught programs which do not have these income requirements. So I'm just going to advise, why do you want to apply for Italian taught programs if you don't even understand Italian? So go for the ones that are taught in English. Okay, now let's go through how to apply. Application process. Make sure you follow these steps carefully. Number 1, you have to register on the SA3. So it is ESS3 portal if you have not registered yet. Number 2, log in and go on to the top right menu. Number 3, click on the registrar's office and navigate to admission test. Step 4. Now you have to select your preferred master's degree course. Remember, you have to select just one choice, of course. Take your time to select whatever course is related to your bachelor's degree program. Now, number 5, make sure to select the competition labeled Call for Extra EU Students. All these are on the portal while you are applying for this scholarship. Now, step 6, pay the €10 application fee via the Pago. So it is Pago PA portal on the SA3 application website, and you have to make sure you do this no later than April 10. The deadline for this application is until the 10th of April. So we have less than 10 days to apply. So basically you have less than 1 week to apply for this scholarship. Now, this is very important. You can only apply for one master's degree. If you want to change your course, you must cancel your previous application first. If you accidentally cancel the application while in the process, don't panic. You can request to have it restored by filling out a form available in the application portal, and you can still upload missing documents until the deadline is if necessary. I'm going to advise that while you're applying for this one, take your time, because it's not going to be advisable to make a mistake and then you start sending emails and all that, so that it doesn't delay your own process or decision. Okay, now what are the required documents to apply for this scholarship? Before you start the application process, make sure you have all your documents ready. You need to upload them in a PDF format. Don't just upload a JPEG. JPEG is like a picture format where you take a picture of your passport or a picture of your CV and then no. Please organize them, okay? Make sure they are uploaded in a PDF format. Even if you've taken a picture of them, make sure you convert them to a PDF file and then upload them. Now, these are the list of the documents that you need. Number 1, you need the first page of your passport, your international passport, the data page of your international passport. You need this. When you take a picture of it or a scanned copy of it, very clear, convert it to a PDF format or a PDF file. Secondly, your CV is required. Make sure it's in PDF file. Bachelor's degree certificate, make sure it's in PDF file. University transcript of records, make sure it's in PDF file. University syllabus of all courses taken, make sure it is in PDF file. Italian language certificate, if applicable. English language certificate, if applicable. So if you have any English language certificate or anything that shows that you studied in English from your university, or if you have an IELTS or a Duolingo, they're not asking for this, but they're asking for it. They're not asking for anyone in particular, but if you have one, make sure you upload it, okay? Any other useful supporting document is also required, like motivation letter, recommendation letters. You know it's a scholarship program, so you want to make sure you include as much as possible every document that will help you stand out. Okay, now make sure you scan these documents very clearly and in high quality, so that, because if they don't see your information, it might even disqualify your applications. Okay, now why should you apply for this scholarship? It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to study at one of Italy's top university with full financial support. I've had a lot of people asking me, please make a video on fully funded scholarship. Yes, this is one of it, and you have to take your time to make the application, okay, so that you can pass through. It is highly competitive and it has very fewer vacancies. Now, you won't pay tuition, accommodation or meals, and you'll receive a €3,600 stipend. Okay, now it is open to non-European students worldwide, making it an amazing chance for talented individuals who wants to study in Europe at no cost or lesser cost. Now the deadline again is until the 10th of April, 23:59 Italy time, so Italian time. So 23, that's 11:59, before 12 a.m. Italian time, you have submitted your application. Okay, now for full details, visit the Unical admission. I didn't mention the school, so the school is Unical in Italy. Okay, you can see it on my screen. I've been showing the website and the webpage on my screen. That is the school. All of the links to apply, the PDFs, all the processes and step-by-step guide to apply, the courses in English, the link will be on my description. Please take your time to read everything and also check for the slots. Each course has a slot. Okay, they have several courses in English. They have some engineering courses and IT courses, some physics, mathematics courses as well, some civil engineering courses. I checked, so please go well and check them, as you can see from my screen, and make sure you do not make any mistakes on the application. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to the schools, okay? Ask them. Try to also make further research. Remember, I'm not an immigration officer. All I do here is based on my own personal research, just to share information to you all. So when I find something interesting and I make my research, I send it to you all here on my page, on my channel, asking you all to do what? Check for it, make your own research, further research, which is why I try to leave the link. So check the links before going through your application process, okay? All right, so this is everything I'm going to be talking today. If you need any questions, you can ask me on the comment. I will do my best to answer the questions. And thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. You are all amazing. I'm sorry I didn't mention that at the beginning of the video, but I want to thank you all for that. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for tuning into this channel. God bless you all. I wish you all success. Make sure you don't relent. Keep pushing, and I'm very sure one of these days you're going to be sharing your testimony with us on the channel. And if this information was helpful, don't forget to share this video with anyone who might be interested. This could be your chance to study in Italy for free. Apply, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.